In the next 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how to stop fighting your own brain. I'll be sharing 3 strategies to turn your natural, mental glitches into a system for effortless discipline. By the end of this video, you won't just understand why you're distracted, you'll have a manual override to fix it. You aren't actually tired, you are mentally fragmented. Right now, your consciousness is scattered across dozens of open loops, unfinished conversations, unwashed dishes, and half-baked ideas that are quietly siphoning away your potential. You think you're multitasking, but you're actually suffering from a biological glitch called the Zeigarnik Effect. Every open loop is a debt you owe to yourself. If you don't pay it, you'll spend your life distracted by the noise of things you never finished. But how was it discovered? In 1927, a psychologist noticed that waiters had superhuman memory for unpaid bills, but the moment the bill was paid, the memory was deleted. Your brain is a completion machine. It hates an open loop. It will literally torture you with reminders of an unfinished task until you finish it or write it down. And it's why your to-do list feels like a threat. That was a basic understanding of how it works. But why does this torture even matter? Well, you can use it to hack your brain and become a more disciplined person effortlessly. Let's quickly see how. Strategy number 1, the momentum pause. This strategy weaponizes the Zeigarnik effect. The rule is simple: don't stop when you're stuck, stop when you're flowing. If you're writing, stop mid-sentence. If you're coding, leave a single, easy error. By leaving the loop open strategically, your brain stays locked on the task while you sleep. You don't have to try to start tomorrow. Your brain will be screaming at you to finish what you started. Strategy number 2, the 120-second kill. This is just a flipped version of the momentum pause. The tasks or small chores you want to avoid are cognitive leaks. Every time you walk past a mess and say, "I'll do it later," you open a new tab in your mind. The aim is to close as many tabs closed as possible to streamline your attention and energy. Use the 120-second rule. If it takes less than 2 minutes, you are forbidden from thinking about it. Do it now. You aren't cleaning your room, you're reclaiming the territory of your own mind so you can finally focus on the big wins. Strategy number 3, the brain dump escape. This technique is similar to the second strategy, but more like a dodge to save yourself in a different scenario. The rule is, if you can't finish it today, you must deceive your brain. Your mind cannot tell the difference between a task that is done and a task that is securely recorded. By moving a thought from your head to a physical list, you externalize the loop. This triggers the completion response in your biology, allowing your nervous system to finally relax and recover. Understanding Zeigarnik effect opens a lot of ways to hack our system. Stop letting your unfinished life drain your potential. Close the loops. Reclaim your focus. What is the one thing you've been putting off that you're going to kill in the next 120 seconds? Type it below to seal the commitment.